Crash Course. Idaho State, USA. Geolocation and Capital. Idaho, located in the northwestern region of the United States, is known for its stunning landscapes and natural beauty. It shares borders with Washington, Oregon, Nevada, Utah, Montana, Wyoming, and Canada. The capital and largest city of Idaho is Boise. Population and economy. Idaho has a population of over 1.8 million people, making it the 39th most populous state in the United States. The state's economy is diverse, with sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, technology, tourism, and mining contributing significantly. Idaho is known for its rich natural resources, including timber, minerals, and fertile agricultural land. Education. Idaho is home to several reputable educational institutions, including Boise State University, the University of Idaho, and Idaho State University. These universities offer a wide range of academic programs and contribute to the state's intellectual and research capabilities. Brief history. Idaho has a fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. The area was originally inhabited by Native American tribes, including the Nez Perce, Shoshone, and Coeur d'Alene. In the early 19th century, fur trappers and explorers ventured into the region. Idaho became a territory in 1863 and gained statehood in 1890. It played a significant role in the development of the American West, particularly during the Gold Rush era. Cultures and politics. Idaho has a diverse cultural heritage influenced by Native American traditions, pioneers, and immigrant communities. The state embraces its Western roots and prides itself on its rugged individualism and outdoor lifestyle. In terms of politics, Idaho is generally considered a conservative state, with a majority of its residents leaning towards Republican ideologies. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Lewis and Clark Expedition. In the early 19th century, explorers Meriwether Lewis and William Clark embarked on an expedition to explore the Western Territories, including present-day Idaho. Their journey through the rugged landscapes of Idaho provided valuable information about the region's geography, flora, and fauna. 2. Sun Valley Resort. Known as one of the premier ski destinations in the United States, Sun Valley Resort attracts visitors from around the world. It gained fame in the 1930s when it became the first destination ski resort in the country, hosting celebrities and dignitaries. 3. Craters of the Moon National Monument and Preserve. Located in central Idaho, this unique geological area features vast lava fields, volcanic craters, and caves. Visitors can explore the otherworldly landscape and learn about the region's volcanic history. 4. Sawtooth Mountains. The Sawtooth Mountains offer breathtaking vistas and outdoor recreational opportunities. With jagged peaks, alpine lakes, and hiking trails, it is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, including hikers, climbers, and campers. 5. Shoshone Falls. Often referred to as the Niagara of the West, Shoshone Falls is a majestic waterfall on the Snake River. It plunges 212 feet, surpassing the height of Niagara Falls. The falls are a popular attraction, offering beautiful views and recreational activities. 6. Snake River Valley Wine Region. Idaho is gaining recognition for its burgeoning wine industry. The Snake River Valley, with its favorable climate and fertile soil, has become a notable wine-producing region. Visitors can enjoy wine tours and tastings at the various vineyards and wineries. 7. Idaho State Capitol. Located in Boise, the Idaho State Capitol is an architectural gem. Built in the neoclassical style, the Capitol building features a stunning rotunda, historical exhibits, and beautiful grounds. Guided tours provide insight into the state's government and history. 8. Idaho Potato Museum. As Idaho is famous for its potatoes, it's no surprise that the state has a museum dedicated to this versatile vegetable. The Idaho Potato Museum in Blackfoot showcases the history and significance of potatoes in Idaho's agricultural industry. 9. Hells Canyon. Stretching along the Snake River, Hells Canyon is the deepest river gorge in North America. Its rugged beauty offers opportunities for hiking, boating, fishing, and wildlife observation. 10. Museum of Clean. Located in Pocatello, The Museum of Clean is a unique institution dedicated to the concept of cleanliness. It explores the history of cleaning products and equipment and promotes sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. 11. Silverwood Theme Park. Idaho is home to Silverwood, the largest theme park in the American Northwest. It features a variety of thrill rides, water slides, live entertainment, and an adjacent water park, providing fun for the whole family. 12. Cataldo Mission. Situated near Coeur d'Alene, the Cataldo Mission is the oldest standing building in Idaho. Constructed by Catholic missionaries in the mid-19th century, it is a testament to the region's early history and architectural heritage. Summarization. Idaho, with its diverse landscapes, rich history, and outdoor recreational opportunities, offers a unique and captivating experience for visitors. From the majestic Sawtooth Mountains to the fascinating lava fields of Craters of the Moon, the state's natural wonders are a highlight. Idaho's cultural heritage, including Native American traditions and pioneer history, adds depth to its identity. Whether exploring the vibrant city of Boise, skiing in Sun Valley, or immersing oneself in the tranquility of nature, Idaho provides a memorable journey through the heart of the American West. Chorus. Idaho, where nature's beauty thrives. From rugged mountains to sparkling dives. A land of pioneers, wild and free. A place where adventure waits for thee. Bridge. In Sun Valley's snow, skiers take flight, while Sawtooth's peaks touch heaven's height. The Snake River winds through canyons deep. A paradise for those who seek. Chorus. Idaho, where nature's beauty thrives. From rugged mountains to sparkling dives. A land of pioneers, wild and free. A place where adventure waits for thee. Outro. Idaho's history, etched in stone. From Lewis and Clark to lands unknown. With culture rich and landscapes grand. In Idaho, a treasure you'll find firsthand. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.